wanna Vybz not in a bitch. We up straight vibes, some and champagne. Woman admire everybody.
If you feel back your cocky one all night, the way you push it in like hard drive. Me know why you're cocky, but
see I damn them, I slam them.
Girl out road, you want slam them. Nicky this, Nicky that, Nicky damn them. Hot girl out road, you want slam them. Atty gang them, Nicky mad them.
people them locked me up from last night at Norman Manley Airport. Don't touch me. You're not hold my hand already. Oh no, don't test me and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison.
I don't have one sorry bone in me for Lisa Hype. When me hear Lisa Hype say, me will say some things for send back Addy at jail.
Margaret, my dog. Good. Make it this, make it that.
Went back to court. The time when I was not expecting it, that was the time I get released. Bear in mind, I get released, it's like I'm still in prison. I get out of Fort Augustus. Now they had me on reporting, like I have to report at the station.
Like probation.
Yes, so I had to report at the station like 3 times.
I'm afraid of them because them go more people afraid of them. Yeah?
All I want to interview Lisa after Uno go Sabama watch back that. I want to do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for. I'm in a business. Jeffrey, the fix. All I want to interview where I ask Lisa Hype.
Father God, I want to make them fight me so hard. I lucky things me no go hard. Hold on. Viewers and subscribers. Pepper Kid is back again with the next epic one. SAP. Right now, we are talking about Pampute, Lisa Hype, Vice Boss. You know the thing come down? You see me? Ja. We are talking about Blam Them, Nicki Minaj, CMA, SAP, Ja. Lisa Hype, nah, cool down. Yo, but catch up here and I'm not bash Lisa Hype still, SAP. Mental disorder, serious something, SAP. Yeah, man, and I all we can maintain to that. Kevin just a get wild over there, you see me? Yeah, man, Jano, Blam Them, and Nicki Minaj link up, you know what I think? See him way so, SAP. So when I hear Pretty Dan did I say, it's alleged. Pretty Dan did I say, yo, 2 man pull up in place, SAP. And I, you know, do them look damage and way. I never lie. Blam Them did in the United States, so you know how that go. So, yo, people, I'm not going to waste no time. I'm not going to chat out this. I'm going to give the people what they want to see and what they want to hear. You know, if you go watch the footage them for yourself. Put 1 and 2 together and know what that is. SAP. Yeah, man, like, subscribe and share. Yeah, man, more than appreciate that. SAP. No joke. Big up on the damn self again, you know. Yeah, man. As I did that say differently. Lisa Hype get a bag of bash over here, so. Shorty write him the same way. You see me? Shorty answer back now. I don't know what I'm telling Lisa Hype, but Shorty a wrong time you don't want to answer back. Because you were going. Lisa Hype not in the right mind, SAP. But hear me I say now. Pampute, calm down, man. You done did a bash Lisa Hype already and you know, you don't see Lisa Hype. If nobody don't know, you know. SAP, Lisa Hype in the right state of mind, same way, don't. Vice Boss, go on do you think if I know you? No vice over there, anyway badness come down. Yeah, man, Beanie man, I like how you calm down off of social media, man. Just give them one rummage them for a while. SAP. Yeah, man, people. We are going to jump down in the clippage them. SAP. Yeah, man, and leave no opinion in the comment section. You see me? Like, share, and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man, we not do no bag of talking. SAP. That is it. I don't want to listen to me chat too much, though. I will. Don't even laugh there. I get too deep in that thing here with Vybz KARTEL and Lisa Hype still, you know. But when you tell me what you think in the comment section, you get me? What you think? I extra that Sugar Stick and my Lisa Hype or Vybz KARTEL. Yo, you make me know what you think, SAP. Yeah. Cause yo, Lisa Hype, this thing is wild over here. Yo, you need to go take some medication and do the right thing, girl, you know. Yeah, man, it's like you plan to mash up the whole Gaza camp. Fuck. Yo, Lisa, come down now, man. What's the me I say? Viewers and subscriber. Like, share and subscribe. Big up on the damn self again. Watch it pre now, no people. So Gaza slim over here, so still I give a film dose where she go through a prison, you see me? 3 years where she do a prison, it's not a normal thing. But still, it's like a stage show she go is a camp, you know. She come out more rougher, you know. Believe in a God and things, so she'll tell her how it goes. So on stay tuned though. Yeah man, like again, subscribe and share, you know. Go start off with Lisa Hyper tell her a bag of things I say, yo, them lock him up at airport and way. But find on a ticket where fuck you do at airport. Sorry my language. But still, Lisa, get a hold of yourself, man. Yo, Lisa people them. Control that man. Me own a company media and I say, yo, where is Lisa Hype? Who no need help? That's a totally bullshit. You get me? Yeah, when you stand up for your family, do the right thing. That is it. That's the only thing me have to say there, sir.
People them locked me up from last night and now I'm on the airport and I know them not get paid. America for go do my business and okay, man. So now you see at this make me now go ever deal back with you know, cause you see that man yeah? I love him. Give you which phone? You buy my phone?
Come, Lisa, come.
You buy my phone, man? You work and buy my phone?
Lisa.
Give you which phone?
Come.
Me know say I don't love the drama, you know. And I love the mix up and I love the Jamaican people love to see when people destroy themselves for them entertainment. Because when we're really business now, we hate each other as black people, unfortunately. We have an internal hatred for each other that I'm hoping that over time will change. Whether Lisa I have a mother or a sister, I don't really know much about her. And this is not a mix-up channel, because I don't mix-up and pass and rare education we deal with. Straight education, you understand? But whether she don't have no family, bro, this girl, she have no family. No family member can actually jump in. Take this unnecessary. This girl broken, bro, broken. She's a broken person walking. I don't know who broke her, but she broken, bro. Somebody can take her. She need a mother, bro. I don't know if her mother is alive, but she need a mother. She needs somebody to hold her and hug her and just take her away from all the work going, brother. Me feel sad when me not even watch when I video them pop up, bro. Judge a God, Jamaica, man. And people laugh and find it funny. Boy, me feel it for Lisa Hype. I hope I never have a family member who go through this. This girl is damaged.
Watching Lisa Hype crash out in real time is one of the saddest things I've ever seen. But just watch Lisa Hype live a while ago when she there at the airport and a policeman approached her and tell her, say, yo, seeing that you don't have a ticket, it's a chargeable offense. I'm just going to ask you to leave. Lisa Hype start to wig out on the man, bro. Like, if you see her crash out in a real time, bro, it's sad. It's sad. Earlier, she did a DJ and sang them on live. I was about 500 people on the live. When she starts wig out at the airport, 6,000 approaching 7. The policeman was so nice in his approach and respectable. But who tell him to go say, if him see himself on social media, he's going to press charges. You see me? Mama start go crazy. Still, the man never deal with her no way. Him give her so much leniency. Lisa Hype noticed him, the policeman gave her so much leniency till Lisa Hype could have got behind the counter and start record the people them who, that's the ticket woman them are rare, who check it in and rare. She go behind the counter and start record the woman them and call them monkey and rare and what she will do to them and rare. Bro, what the hell is going on with Lisa Hype? Vybz KARTEL just up and drink champs while I go in and talk about mental health, you know. I know the saddest thing about it. For the 6,000 people them over there in our life, I be a smiley face and laughing emoji me I see in the chat. When I watch a live, I one person me see say, yo, why are you guys laughing about this? We take mental health for joke.
We take mental health for joke as a people. Yo, bro, dog. Bro, I grew up and listen to Lisa Hype, you know, as a Gaza fan, you know. Facilities and our new song just dropped today. And she dropped Hard Drive 3 days ago. The man them arrest Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype had disrespect the policeman and the policewoman when they come and I try, you know what I mean, get her out of the airport. Bro, this is sad, bro. This is sad. This is sad. And the fact that someone who said who are fans or supporters who over there a laugh. We just hope God cover Lisa. We just hope Lisa get the love and the care where she need. For the past week and a half, moms are going with a bag of thing online. And all we are doing as a set of people is laughing at it. Bumbuckler, brother. Dog.
You know, I have one sorry bone in me for Lisa Hype. When me hear Lisa Hype say, me will say some things for send back Addy at jail. Me no have one piece and drop a like in a me for Lisa Hype. I don't care where she go to. I don't care. Let me tell you something. You see, because she was coached by somebody and the person who she was coached by want the man dead and got jail back. And me see she carry out the act. Me no have a drop a like for your girl. Them lock you a lot, them lock you up. Them lucky a lot, them lock you up. You're lucky they never beat you in the goddamn airport. The girl in the airport now no sense. They still hold you and out of you. Yeah, them still beat you. On a bad mind, so. You know what? I think she thinks, say, when time Addy come out of jail, because I could have she go to Addy and tell Addy too, no. I could have she tell Addy, say Shorty that cheat on him. I could have she do it. Because she want Addy done with Shorty long time. So she can get Addy. But Addy don't want her. Now you call the man and all these things like, excuse me? Oh no. Are you and a brother there? We go sit down. And that's why. And that's why you're so up right now. Go seek help. Go get the injection where you forget. Yeah, man, go get the injection where you forget. Because you see bad mind, Lord Jesus Christ, when the bad mind spin back pan Uno, it was around Obia. You know, see you call out, say your grandmother a big Obia woman. You know, see you out here say your family are big Obia people. You know, see you call it out. I ask everybody I walk over upon you. Nobody now walk over upon you. It's just that the Obia now work. And the people them pray to God. And God prayer them at work. The people now walk over and you now reach nowhere. You now reach nowhere. You Lisa Hype, you're not going nowhere with your Obia. All Obia where you walk.
Bad me bad so me can beat me chest. Me pussy never yet cause a man dead. If a girl bad tell her fi just step. Them a sing bogon inna them baggy eat there.
All I want to interview Lisa after Uno go sub and watch back that. I want to do it for views. Because no enough I want to do it for. I'm in a business. Jeffrey the fix. All I want to interview where I ask Lisa Hype. No, never try to understand. Because she go up on her phone and she rant and I go on. I want to take it down and say, yo, come. Because when I run competition, I don't want another for views. All I want to pussy. All I want to hold on. And I can tell you that myself. Because I'm not big my friend from Uno. Now, see, a views on the beat for. Because I'm not laugh. Tell you not see. Oh, quick. We forget. Say she do this already. Oh, quick. She do this already, but she don't want views. When I run competition, you don't want to have views when I run down. Because I did my family. Me don't have problem. Me I tell you no. Fix and Jeffrey. Me don't have problem. I did my family. No matter what. Me I tell you no.
Code. Earth, drop top.
Margarita, my dog.
Margarita, my dog. Code. Make it this, make it that.
Mad them, blind them.
Maybe you got to see.
Yeah, man, it's ready. It's found. Hey, see them. We have all our eyes on the pen.
Don't afraid of them, because them got them more people afraid of them. Yeah? Tell them, sir, we're not afraid of them. Size up and wise up. I want to them. Who God bless me, say no man curse. When God bless them, can't test you. Lord, nothing, no worry way. Cause God that cover way.
I'm the gangster them. Yo, this is a place that I follow. Yo! All the man down here run watching. You know they been up in half like Jerry. Need them a clean and a swap with that green up. Hey, New York, we are there.
Hate her so much. Everybody's eating when you don't want, she have no meal. And I was like, okay, if she feel like say, if I don't get food, I'm gonna die, you have it wrong, miss. I'm not gonna die. I used to not eating. It's okay, I got this. And the male cops, he actually took out the food and give me and eat. And I remember like it was so rough. Like when they bring the bucket with food, like they bring the crackers. If now it's 5 of us in the cell, and like it's like a little thing. And then you have the little upstairs and downstairs. But bear in mind, it's like cold concrete. And the same place where you eat, you have to defecate, urinate, all of those madness. And they will bring a big bucket of crackers. And like if it's 5 of us, they bring 5 slices of plantain, 5 single. So you know, you have to take out 1 single slice of the plantain with some crackers. And they bring you 1 big bucket of sugar and water tea. You have to drink that. I'm like, okay. I remember I was there, I pray. I went to court. My lawyer asked for bail. The judge was like, no, she's not getting any bail. I remember I pray. I was like, Father God, if you're not ready for me to leave here, please take me somewhere where I can get bed. And I remember I go to court and they call up my name in the court and like, Vanessa, you're going to transfer. I'm like, transfer. Then I asked the one of the cops, where am I going? And he said, Fort Augustus. I'm like, damn, at that same time, I think about my mom because, they described Fort Augustus, it is so rough. And I remember when I was going out and my mama heard that I was going to Fort Augustus, she started crying. I was like, Mother, I got this. Your daughter got this. Be strong. And I went there. I went to Fort Augustus and like, it's like, the guards there, they went down there and tell the girls that I was coming. Oh my God. You see, when I stepped down there, it's like I went to a show. You know, like when I went to the show and you hear, introducing Vanessa Brilling and that whole heap of excitement there. I'm like, okay, where am I at? Am I coming to foreign or is a show? I went there, I have my dam. I locked the dam, like it was like 26 girls of us in one dam, but it was big. So you got bed there. Bear in mind, I asked God to take me off this concrete and he put me on this bed. So I went there. I started going church because they have church. They have Sunday church, Saturday church. But I went to Sunday church because I'm from a Pentecostal background. The girls actually there, they want to do everything for me. Like all my panties, they want to wash. I was like, You can wash everything else, but not the panty. And it was so cruel there. Like, they treated the girls them so bad. Like when you have fight there, like the police them and the guards, they will never come until fight is over. Because for them, they say when they receive you, they receive a body. That's the thing. When I just get there, they say, welcome, we receive a body. I'm like, receive a body. So that for sure you say them don't care if you're dead or not. Because you're already dead to them any which way. So While I'm there, I keep praying. I was like, okay, Father God, you take me off the cold concrete that I asked you for. You put me on bed now. It's time for me to go home. My lawyer, I remember, like, I spent so much money trying to get this appeal, and they will not give me the appeal. I remember coming down to Christmas because my mom born Christmas Day. I was like, okay, I'm going to get out of here Christmas. End up, I never get out. Went back to court. The time when I was not expecting it, that was the time I get released. Bear in mind, I get released. It's like I'm still in prison. I get out of Fort Augustus. Now they had me on reporting. Like, I have to report at the station.
Like probation.
Yes, so I had to report at the station like 3 times, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 8 to 2. If I miss 2, they are going to take back the bail. They take away my passport, everything. So, you know, for that 3 years and 9 months, I'm reporting all those times, and I'm going to court 4 times a week, non-stop. It was... Oh, I've been through so much, like, but I'm right here.
We up straight vibes and champagne. Puma admire everybody. The Lisa hype up me a handful. And me I watch it from what day. See? And me I watch the Lisa hype up me and me decide to say I say nothing because you don't know everybody attack. But when them attack, some people attack while some people laugh and I make clout. Like some people just have her as a little joke. People say Kartel mother, and every time Kartel do this and that and that. See, I remember I go to a man comment on something and say happen with her, and when I comment, one of her friend reach out to me. See, and when them reach out to me, them a tell me say a long time. Them a say about some 11 or 12 years now, them a go through it with Lisa. See, them a try to get the help. Them say even when time she did their foreign, and them did their help her, because you know everybody asks one to her friend and one to her family. Everybody asks a question there. One to her friend and one to her family. And I'll tell you something. People are talking about mental health and all kind of things. Everybody a doctor. But I'm telling you something. If you never have a family member where go through something like this, you will never understand. You will never understand. Remember, we see Lisa come on every day. She got a foreign, and when she got a foreign, she in at the airport for hours. Nobody not come pick her up. She out at the airport a cuss and I call people name, so she done with them and handbag or something. That's when she there Florida the other day. Right? She come back to Jamaica, find herself up at AC hotel. Remember, she not book up there. She not in a room up there. None of that she not up there. She go find herself over Bima, over appliance traders, and take picture. You understand? Remember say, me hear people get up and them and say a cartel cause this and a cartel cause that. See? You see, when time somebody go through an episode like this, it's hard to control them. Them will fight you. Them will use any weapon where them have and stab you up. Them will do anything with you. So you have to be careful. It's not something that somebody can easily control. It's not something that you can just go to them and just say, yo, yeah man, make a whole lot and make a do this and that. No, and a psycho. Me can tell you from personal experience. Seeing somebody, one person can talk to her, one person. I don't know who is that person, but somebody, like she will listen to one person. If you notice, she goes have every friend what she have. She run with everybody afraid of her because again,
Them don't know what she have on her purse, like them don't know if she have no weapon. And if she have a survey ticket, them are going to give her an injection, and the injection are going to calm her. Seeing? The injection are going to calm her. Remember, say, a whole heap of people, enough youth go through it. Enough time when you see some people on all the road. Them just go through an episode. Seeing? And them family just turn them back against them. Remember again, I don't know Lisa I personally. But I can tell you this. They say down at Bellevue, a whole heap of people carry them family down there, go left them down there. One of the time I got Bellevue till my favor down there. Seeing? And I see somebody writing on one side. I don't know which side writing and say, one of the time Lisa go with one 4-year-old baby. And how much days them can't find her and the baby. All of them something are true. All of them something are true. See? All of them something are true. So, the reason why I come on and attack this and tell you say I want serious something. And my mother used to be in a situation like that. See? My mother used to be in a situation like that. I can tell you now. Remember when my son was 4, my mother goes to man, I go through an episode. And my mother goes to man take my son and go with him. And when time I go to man come from work and them say, yo, Sanja gone with Puffy. It's a call me get. And them say, yo, she out a Rockfort. And I go to man take a taxi and reach out a Rockfort. You know, out there when I look at my son in a bad pan a bed. Seeing? It reach all a stage where they see all the police them. See me like when you see Lisa go on. When they see all the police them, my mother fight all police. I fight all police. Police are the car down. Me they all a dance a play and I go on. And me they a dance a play. You don't see somebody else come and say, your mother don't go down a strip naked, you know. Your mother don't go down naked. I remember, she have knife, she have buckle, she have cursing oil, she have all kind of things, all kind of bag of carry around. You think a little bit of time them tell me, oh, your mother mad. Suck mad Sanja. I go through the whole of them thing there. So when I see Lisa hype, I go on with them thing here. I saw my bother me. Because I know the feeling. I got Bellevue. One of the time when Christmas come, I never like Christmas. I like Christmas because every Christmas is like my mother goes to a man chip out. I'm going down to Bellevue and I tell her, say, they're not dealing with the people them go down there. See, now this is from a long time, this me I tell about, you know. See, so enough people on the internet are laugh and a go on and a go on. You never ever know where a family member go through until your family where you really care about. Because when you have a family in a business for your family, nothing about you, nothing hurt you. Nothing about you and nothing hurt you. You hear me say? Nothing about you and hurt you when time you don't have a family member. You just live your life. Yeah, man, them alright, you know, them do them thing, but it's once a year family. Once a year family. Remember say you have different type of mental health, you know. Remember say, just like how you have good, remember you have evil. And remember who be real. All who are going to say them not believe say who be real, yeah. Who be real. Them things they're real. Good and evil are real. See? You have some little youth where you wonder what the little youth is promising. And then all of a sudden the youths are bright at school and they say a B grade, a B, A plus, A minus, A this, A that, it does go on. So Bright like morning star. Young look youth all 13-year-old. And when you check it out, the youth just got some man losing way. All of a sudden the youth gone. See? We're in a world right now where at the internet page with the pan people have to take out them phone and people laugh off of everything. Everything people laugh off of. Everything people just laugh and a laugh and a laugh. Denial is a rotted thing. When you live in a denial, is a thing. Because now, enough people, they say all in a Lisa comment to talk about, Lord the girl, left the girl, Lord the girl on her phone. Where? Only don't know nothing. People just laugh and a laugh and a laugh. Denial is a rotted thing. When you live in a denial, is a thing. Because now, enough people, they say all in a Lisa comment to talk about, Lord the girl, left the girl, Lord the girl on her phone. Where? Only don't know nothing. And we not call nobody little picnic after they can have your phone and they on live and they on TikTok. And I watch people business. You know a little picnic, you have sense. And you know what is right. And you know what is wrong. See? You know what is right, you know what is wrong. So no found there and I cheer her and I jeer her and you know our family them feel. I say our friend was a bomb last week and say, oh, me I wash my hand. Because the friend I try, everybody bash the friend because again, the friend reach a point where she get fed up and she say, boy, I better wash my hand from this, me have more a problem them. Me and her a friend, but me can't do no more. Me can't do no more. Only our family will love her alone I go stick by her. Everybody I go dig off left for her. Everybody I go dig off leave Lisa. And Lisa alone I go dead. Uncle I really love what if her mother, her father, her sister. Only who truly love her I go dead. No found with on the internet. You're not going back to the regular life and go live on the life, man. You're going to live on the regular life and I wonder what's next on the internet, man. What is we can go laugh about? What is we can go laugh about? Who we can go back now, who for life we can go up and we can get a little mix up because the phone family now affect you. You don't notice when time when the family dead. I want to come on, I want to ball, I want to ask for prayers. So same way like I want to ask for prayers for the family, ask for prayers for other people to know, ask for prayers for strangers to know. Same way like I want to can come on and come go on. I want serious thing. And you have a next one, my mental illness way. Because you see, you not found never go through it yet. May I explain some of them too. Me I'm a doctor, but me have experience in enough of them so me. I don't know the name of it. Or the fact that part of that mentally go away. You expect so you forget something and a year one and it due to you and somebody forget it. Like in a year you feel like some people owe you something. You forget car, you forget house, till you start tell lie. And I say, yeah man, me have a Benz, you know. Me have this and me have that, you know. And me house the upper Stone Hill, you know. Me house the upper Stone Hill and a 6-bedroom and rare. In a them mind, them I say, yeah man, that due to me because sometimes you have some youth that is so bright as fire for have a house, have a Benz, have a whole heap of money in a bank. But then them go some and start see some other youth reach and make it so them try to live up to them people the expectation. See? And then now people laugh and I say, yeah man, a true man. A true man, rare, this and that. But you do not even know, say, when you go some and look deep down in it. It's a name feet, you know, but me don't remember the name. I remember the name, when they go to them and them sit down and them remember, like them just have that in their mind, say, oh, it's true to them and it go to them. Remember when you see same Lisa go over with them, they go take picture and say, Cartel by her bima. Remember she go take picture over ATL and she a big up Scotia Bank and she a big up this and she a big up that. See? Remember them says that them say she a some farm, a schizophrenia she have. We see them thing up on TV all the while, but we still never take it serious until we start see we own a family and go through it. See? And see be a people, let's say, and get up and attack and go on. None of them not try to understand and say, yo, all I know interview Lisa. All I know interview Lisa after Uno goes over my watch back that.
See them, we are gonna buy not the penthouse. Them are gonna buy not the lobby. We are pop street 5 some and champagne. Woman admire everybody.